Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to check the QR code on smartwatch. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on the apps. Okay, you just slide like this. So I'll show you again. Okay, it's dimming the camera. So now let's move on the, this one is the option. From here you have to select the setting. This is a setting. Just move on setting. When you move on setting, just scroll on the down, and here is the QR code. You can check the QR code from here. If you want to connect through QR code, you can connect it through QR code. Okay, app QR code. Okay, so if you want to know about the power off, if you want to power off the smartwatch, this is the battery. Just click on the power off option and click on this green option. It will be power off, will be activate. Okay, so friends, this is the dial switch. It means this is the wallpaper. Okay, you can set from here the wallpapers. Okay, so I don't want to set from here any wallpaper. Okay, you can set it the wallpaper also like that. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.